Opening, but nope, no entry.
Yan. Low and wide stance here for Jerusalem. Pinapahirapan niya ngayon si Castillo kasi Castillo really needs to either go low or he needs to punch down.
As Castillo receives a left hook from
Love si Melvin. So the way to counter that is to go wide as well.
And so far, yung reach advantage and height advantage medyo nanenegate ni Melvin.
Yes, it's not exactly.
Whoa! And just like that,
That's what I'm talking
right
about.
hand on the button.
Just
What
like
is going on?
Just like
Will he survive that?
We have to watch out for that right hand. That's the killer. That's the killer right
The
there.
right hand. Will Melvin
And Melvin is going for
Jerusalem
finish this fight?
continues the pressure. Oh my God!
The referee is taking a close look at Castillo right now.
He's checking if he,
Castillo hanging on for dear life.
And